Hello and welcome back to the BOSStimator. My name is Ryan Frick. I will be your personal trainer again. This is the second video, and the first one showed you how to download the BOSStimator from the website. And what it did, it put a initialization screen on your computer, and it looks something like what you're looking at right now with a setup and an auto run INF file. If it didn't automatically start running, all you have to do is just double click the setup, and this will start to initialize the BOSStimator onto the computer. Just so double click it, and the computer will do the rest. Basically, this is security settings by Microsoft. It says you're gonna add something to it, and you want to press yes here. And then basically, you come up with the BOSStimator setup screen. You press next here. It says you're going to be installing it. This is your end user license agreement. This agreement says that you are going to be an authorized user of the system, either leasing it or purchasing it, or on a 60-day trial basis. There's some legal issues that you need to be aware of, so I would highly recommend that you read all the legal issues so you understand what your requirements are and what the BOSStimator's requirements are, so we're all on the same page. You have an option: either you can accept these terms or you can not accept them. If you don't, it will stop the system immediately. So let's assume that you read it and you're ready to go on, so you click I accept the terms and press next. When you press next, you want to put in your username. Let's go ahead and put in John Malley, and your company's name is John's Construction, and then press next. For 95% of you, you're going to press the typical installation. For those of you that have purchased a multi-user license, you have to press the custom. At that point, you need to call the BOSStimator, and they will help you install the program in the location it needs to be, so that it operates correctly for all your multi-user environment. But for most of you, you're going to press typical and then install. At this point, the wizard will take the rest of it. It'll go through some process. It may take a few minutes depending upon the size of the system that you have. It may take quite a while, or not take very long at all. This is compatible from Windows XP version B all the way to Windows 7, and it also runs on the Mac. So at this point, you can see that it's installed, and you press finish, and it's installed on your computer. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this screen, and you can see right there that it installed and put a icon on the screen for the BOSStimator, and it also put it down on your start menu, all programs, and it will be under the BOSStimator there. At this point, you just double click either one of them, and you're up and running in the BOSStimator. Take a look around. Feel free to ask as many questions as you want, and when you have one, call the boss.